Yeah, hi everyone. Assalamu alaikum. I hope all of you are fine and already for new topics. So welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Irzam Shahid. So I'm particularly interested and excited about this class. It's about deep learning, of course, as you may know. So that's very closely related to my research. So in this brief video here, I just wanted to introduce myself and what we are going to talk about today. So on today, I will mainly cover a few topics related to how the class is organized. I will give you a brief overview of what to expect in this course and what topics we are going to cover. So after giving you the course overview here, I will also then later introduce machine learning, and let me tell you that machine learning is not a requirement for this class. So in machine learning, we talk more about traditional methods for solving problems. We cover like decision trees, random forests, other ensemble methods, gradient boosting, and so forth. In this class though, we will be entirely focused on deep learning and deep neural networks, so there will not be any requirement from the basic machine learning for this course. So everything right now will be relatively new, except of course some overlaps are there that are concerned with supervised learning. Basically that we are interested in classifying things. So that will be the only overlap. But I don't think there will be a disadvantage if you take this course without having taken basic machine learning. But long story short, I will give you a brief overview of what machine learning is in this course, and then also just outlining how supervised machine learning workflow looks like, some of the necessary jargons and notations, and then also a little bit more about the practical aspects of this course. And we will be using PyTorch and doing also some coding in this class. So in this way, there will be conceptual and practical aspects, and I hope that this is a good mix yet to prepare you for machine learning projects and of course deep learning projects, and also of course deep learning in both academia and industry. So in that way, let's get started with the course overview.